holding knowledge, concentration with the food.
Go for slogan.
Asatoma Sargamaya, Tamasoma Jyotisamaya, Sutyoma Anutangamaya, Om Shanti.
Started. Nation. We go for national song. Sing loudly.
All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone, lies my Good morning to everybody. Today's news is going to reading by the Secretary of 90 Techno. International news. In US, Ebola turns into an election issue. Outraged as South Africa's football captain shouted. National news. World Media Summit Awards for Peace Signers Al Jazeera. No sewage will be allowed to drain into Ganga. State news. AG launches sand mining sale through DWCRA. Police picket posted at Anakapalli. Sports news. India drops to 6th place in ICC Test ranking. Thank you. Good morning to everybody. This is Hashtag 90 Techno here to ask some big questions. What is hypoxia? What is hypoxia? Answer. The quantity of oxygen is less in the blood. Who wrote the book The Origin of Species? Question. Who wrote the book The Origin of Species? Answer. Charles Darwin. The first Peshawar was ruled by. Question. The first Peshawar was ruled by. Answer. Bajirao. Who was the last Sikh Guru? Right answer. Guru Gobind Singh. Today is the birthday of the Chandana of 9th Techno. Let us wish her happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May Peter bless you, dear. May friends wish you, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. Many greetings to you. Happy long life to you. Happy bright life to you, dear friend. Happy birthday to you.
assembly presentation by first class and second class.
Hey, Raman. Hey, stand up. Repeat.